Hi, hello. This is Gawly again from the English section of the khsosi. In the previous video, we learned some sentences about the letter P and the letter boy. Today, we are going to proceed with a full and a complete sentence. Okay? So what is a full and meaningful sentence? Meaningful means that it means something. Okay, and please do not forget the subject and the object and the verb. Okay, I'm going to concentrate on these sentences, all right, on the letter P and the letter B. Please remember and talk to the mirror always so you can watch your tongue and lips. Peter, Peter, boy, boy, balloon, boxing, behave. Okay, so check those sentences and listen to them carefully. What is your name, please? What is your name, please? Okay, do you live in Heliopolis? Heliopolis. If you find a long word, okay, just cut it in your mind for even 2 or 3 pieces. All right, and take your breath and state it. Okay, do you have a hobby? You may say as well, what is your hobby? I like to play football. All right, football. I like to watch TV. Okay, I like to drink Pepsi. Okay, you have to say Pepsi, not okay. So remember again, using the mirror is very important for you to watch your accent and watch your lips while stating Peter or boy. Okay, so let us proceed with the sentences. Do you love chocolate? You may also say, do you like chocolate? Who does not? Okay. The 5th sentence and the last one is, this boy is naughty. This boy is a naughty boy, right? Later on, we are going to speak about the A and the N, right? But let us take it step by step. This boy is a naughty boy, right? Right means that there was a question, okay, to be asked. This boy is a naughty boy, right? So we have here the letter B. We have here the letter P. Okay, so we have to watch ourselves carefully. All right, we have to enhance our English. Enhance. Okay, you have to enhance your vocabulary skills as well. Later on in those very short videos, we are going to give some hints and topics about how should I enhance, or how could I enhance my English. All right, please pay a visit to the Facebook. We have this account, and we have some pages as well by the name of Magdy and Gawly. Okay, if this is the first time for you to watch us on the channel of khsosi, the English section, please like and subscribe, and thank you very much. See you later then. Bye bye.